If you formatted your hard drive by mistake, scanning the wrong way could permanently erase your only chance to recovery. Here is a simple step-by-step guide on how to recover data from a formatted hard drive for free using Recuva, which is best for accidental formatting and deleted files on Windows. Running recovery software on failing drive can permanently destroy your data and waste hours scanning bad sectors. Use the Ultimate Drive Checker tool for free to confirm your drive is safe to scan. Click the link pinned in the comment section to download the tool from my download page for free. Open the downloaded zip file. Double-click on the tool and simply follow the prompt to run it. The Ultimate Drive Health Checker tool will scan all physical drives for smart health, warn you if any drive shows predicted failure, list all partitions with file system type, free space, and total size, and also detect hidden or overloaded drives that can sabotage the recovery process. When you are done checking the drive health, move to the address bar of your web browser and type www.CCleaner.com/Recuva. Click OK on the privacy information and click on free download. Recuva will yet still provide you options of the versions available. Choose the free version. Since everything about this tutorial is free, then click download. Simply open the executable file when done and run the installer and wait for the installation process to complete. In the wizard, select what kind of files you are trying to recover, be it pictures, music, documents, videos, compressed files, or even emails. I recommend selecting all files for a full scan. Click Next when done. Recuva will ask where to search. I recommend choosing a specific location. Simply browse to your formatted drive and select it. From there, click Next. Before clicking Start, check the box that says Enable Deep Scan. This is crucial for formatting drives, as basic scans often miss these files. A deep scan can take anywhere from 5 minutes to over an hour depending on the drive size and speed. Wait for the scan to complete. After the scan, the results are shown with colored dots. Green indicates excellent chance of recovery. Orange indicates partial overwritten files. And red indicates unrecoverable. You can sort by file name, path, type, or recoverability. Just check the boxes next to the files you want to recover, or simply just select all, then click the recover button. Now you'd have to select the drive to see the recovered files. It is important to choose a different drive, not the same formatted one, to save the recovered files to avoid overwriting data. After choosing the drive, select Make New Folder and name it Recovered Files, just to make it easier to identify the location. All your files will be recovered for free. On completion, the number of files recovered will be indicated. Now you can simply navigate to the recovered files and inspect them. Do not forget to use the pre-recovery tool to confirm your drive is safe to scan for free. You can support with any amount you have. Your generosity helps me keep these tools online, maintained, and free for everyone who missed it.